Figure AI, a company with a bold vision of making humanoid robots a commercial reality, recently announced a remarkable achievement of securing $675 million in funding. With the support of industry giants like Microsoft, Nvidia, and Jeff Bezos' Bezos Expeditions, Figure AI has reached an impressive valuation of $2.6 billion. This solidifies its position as a favored player in the world of humanoid robotics, capturing the attention and admiration of big tech. With this surge of investment, it becomes evident that Figure's potential is highly regarded and that we are witnessing a significant turning point in the advancement of robotics and automation. Let's explore the origins of Figure AI and its profound implications for the future of labor and human-machine interaction. Figure AI, the humanoid robotics company, recently secured an impressive $675 million in funding from a stellar lineup of big tech investors. The company, with its sights set on bringing a humanoid robot to the market, currently boasts a valuation of $2.6 billion. The latest funding round saw a diverse group of participants, including major players like Microsoft, the OpenAI Startup Fund, Nvidia, Jeff Bezos' Bezos Expeditions, Parkway Venture Capital, Intel Capital, Align Ventures, and ARK Invest. Figure has become the favored humanoid robotics company among big tech's prominent investors. The manufacturing industry is also starting to pay attention. In January, Figure made an exciting announcement about a commercial agreement with BMW. This agreement involves the use of robots on BMW's production line, and this partnership is expected to bring about significant advancements in the manufacturing process. In January, the company made an excitement announcement about partnering with BMW. The aim is to deploy Figure's robots at BMW's manufacturing plant in Spartanburg, South Carolina. After a span of 6 weeks, Figure managed to secure an impressive $675 million in funding, with notable investors including Microsoft, Nvidia, OpenAI Startup Fund, and Jeff Bezos. This significant investment has led to a valuation of $2.6 billion for the company. Simultaneously, Figure entered into a collaborative agreement with OpenAI to create advanced AI models for humanoid robots. With this valuation, Adcock, who holds approximately 50% of the Sunnyvale, California company, has now entered the exclusive Billionaire club. Armed with his Figure stake and shares from a previous startup, his net worth is estimated to be around $1.4 billion. The company envisions a future reminiscent of the Jetsons, where every individual will have their very own humanoid robot, or perhaps even two, to assist with various tasks such as laundry, coffee making, and cooking dinner. As per the founder's perspective, it is expected to yield significant returns in the future. This will become one of the most significant businesses in the world over time. Adcock states, "Our aim is to become a versatile alternative to human labor." In a recent press release, it was announced that Figure and OpenAI have formed a collaboration to create advanced AI models for humanoid robots. This partnership will leverage OpenAI's research expertise and Figure's extensive knowledge of robotics hardware and software. The collaboration is focused on expediting Figure's commercial timeline by improving the language processing and reasoning abilities of humanoid robots. Given the immense amount of attention and financial support, one would naturally expect the robot to possess extraordinary capabilities, wouldn't they? So, this company is relatively new and recently introduced its first humanoid prototype called the Figure 01 in October. During that period, the company stated that it encompassed approximately a year's worth of effort. Boasting a team of experienced veterans from renowned companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, Google DeepMind, and Archer Aviation, the company has a solid foundation to build upon. The robot's design is striking, with its solid aluminum construction and precise electric actuation. It strives to achieve a remarkable resemblance to a human, maintaining a 1-to-1 ratio. According to the website, the objective is to create a humanoid measuring 5 feet 6 inches and weighing 130 pounds, with the ability to lift up to 44 pounds. It's quite impressive how they managed to cram all these robot parts into such a compact package, prioritizing form over function. Boston Dynamics Atlas stands out among alternative humanoid designs with its hulking, beast-like appearance, prioritizing function over form. Additionally, there is the specialized digit robot developed by Agility Robotics. This robot is specifically designed for warehouse tasks and features unique backward-bending bird legs. These legs enable the robot to effortlessly bend down in front of a shelf without any concerns about potential collisions with its knees. One can gain a valuable perspective on the company's progress by exploring their official YouTube channel, where the captivating footage showcases the Figure 01 robot effortlessly performing various tasks. In the most efficient video, which was posted a few days ago, a remarkable demonstration took place. A robot was seen effortlessly completing a box-moving task with what was claimed to be complete autonomy. However, it is worth noting that the robot's speed was only a mere 16.7% of what a human would typically achieve in the same task. The walking of the bipedal robot leaves much to be desired, lacking any impressive qualities. Figure moves with a cautious, unhurried gait, inching forward at a leisurely speed. The movement of the walk cycle is primarily controlled by the hips. Throughout the entire duration, the knees remain bent and positioned in front of the robot, while the ankles exhibit minimal movement. The creature's movement is rather peculiar, as it can only walk in a perfectly straight line. When it attempts to turn, it does so with a slow and cumbersome stop and spin in place motion, with its feet pedaling in place throughout the entire process. There is a noticeable rhythm to the movement of the feet even when the robot is not in motion. It's as if the foot planning operates on a predetermined schedule to maintain balance. It moves on its feet, but its gait is reminiscent of a robot's slow and clumsy. The attention of the figure appears to be primarily drawn towards the hands. The 01 possesses remarkably large hands that closely resemble those of a human, complete with 5 fingers, each consisting of 3 joints. In January, Figure shared a video showcasing the robot in action, deftly operating a Keurig coffee maker. Imagine the graceful dance of preparing your morning coffee. Gently lifting the lid with a fingertip, you delicately grasp the fragile plastic cup with 2 fingers, effortlessly placing it into the coffee maker. With a nonchalant touch, you press the lid down using a combination of 3 fingers, and finally, with a single finger, you confidently press the go button. The coffee maker and the K-cup have managed to survive, but the Keurig is enduring a rather rough existence. Some of the robot interactions unintentionally lift one side or the other of the coffee maker off the table due to excessive force. Adcock set up shop in WeWork space located in Palo Alto, where he made connections with individuals from various backgrounds in the field of robotics. Brett informed us recalls John McCormick, an investor from Tamarack Global, that he would be overseeing the NFL draft for humanoid talent. McCormick's firm has invested in both Archer and Figure. In August 2022, he had brought on board a team of 8 employees. Currently, the team is expanded to include 90 individuals, including talented individuals from renowned companies such as Boston Dynamics, Google DeepMind, Tesla, and Apple's secretive Special Projects Group. But what's interesting is that he had never built a robot before. According to Adcock, his time at Archer provided him with valuable insights into the world of robotics. According to Archer, their air taxis are equipped with batteries, motors, embedded software, and control systems, and Adcock initially financed the company himself, keeping the exact amount he invested undisclosed. However, according to certain sources, it is estimated to be around $20 million. On top of his veterinary payday, he has managed to offload a substantial amount of Archer Aviation shares, totaling at least $70 million in value. In March 2023, Figure secured an impressive $70 million in funding from a group of esteemed investors, with Parkway Venture Capital taking the lead and Intel Capital also joining in. No matter how much wealth one possesses, there is no guarantee of success. Throughout history, visionaries and investors have tirelessly pursued the creation of lifelike automations. In the 1100s, Ismail al-Jazari, an Islamic engineer, was busy sketching designs for mechanical waiters. These innovative creations were way ahead of their time. Fast forward 700 years, and there were reports, albeit possibly unreliable, of a German inventor named Dr. Lube. He supposedly constructed an automation called Mr. Eisenbrass, which had the remarkable ability to talk and stand. This incredible feat was made possible through the use of electromagnets and batteries. In this modern era, the advancements in technology have surpassed all expectations. However, even with these remarkable achievements, it is possible that they may still fall short of what is truly needed.